Welcome to our in-depth analysis of Hyliion Holdings, a leading provider of electrified powertrain solutions for the commercial transportation industry. Founded in 2015 and based in Texas, Hyliion specializes in hybrid and fully electric powertrain solutions, focusing on Class 8 vehicles, the largest and heaviest trucks on the road. They aim to reduce the carbon footprint of the transportation sector, which is one of the largest contributors to greenhouse gas emissions. Hyliion's innovative products have several key features. Their hybrid electric system can be installed on new trucks or retrofitted on existing ones, offering flexibility. The Hypertruck ERX, their fully electric solution, utilizes renewable natural gas to generate electricity on board, providing over 1,000 miles of range. These solutions help reduce fuel costs and emissions while increasing the efficiency of long-haul trucks. Pricing for Hyliion solutions is competitive in the commercial vehicle market. The hybrid electric system is priced similarly to diesel trucks but offers significant fuel savings over time. The Hypertruck ERX, while more expensive upfront, can provide lower total cost of ownership through reduced maintenance and fuel costs. Hyliion also offers leasing options to help fleets transition to greener alternatives without a large initial investment. Hyliion solutions are ideal for long-haul trucking companies looking to reduce their carbon footprint and fuel costs. The hybrid electric system is perfect for fleets that want to start transitioning to greener alternatives without a huge upfront investment. Meanwhile, the Hypertruck ERX is ideal for companies ready to make a bigger commitment to sustainability, offering the potential for zero-emission long-haul trucking. Hyliion solutions offer several advantages. They help reduce greenhouse gas emissions and fuel costs, key concerns in the transportation industry. The hybrid electric system can be retrofitted on existing trucks, allowing for easier transition to greener alternatives. The Hypertruck ERX's onboard electricity generation eliminates the need for a large battery or extensive charging infrastructure, making it more practical for long-haul trucking. Despite these advantages, Hyliion faces some limitations. The commercial vehicle market is highly competitive, with major players like Tesla and Nikola also offering electric truck solutions. Additionally, while the Hypertruck ERX's use of renewable natural gas reduces emissions, it is not a completely zero-emission solution. Lastly, Hyliion solutions currently focus on Class 8 vehicles, limiting their market potential. In conclusion, Hyliion is a promising player in the commercial vehicle electrification market. Their innovative solutions offer significant potential for reducing emissions and fuel costs in the trucking industry. However, they face stiff competition and some limitations in their current product offerings. Overall, they offer a compelling option for fleets looking to transition to greener alternatives. Before we end, let's summarize the key takeaways. Hyliion offers innovative electrified powertrain solutions for the commercial transportation industry. Their products can significantly reduce emissions and fuel costs. However, they face strong competition and have some limitations. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more analysis videos like this.